around. We win some, we lose some. It's what it is. Feel me, right?
Have you ever won any game? You've never. You
Bruh.
just keep wasting money. Huh? Hey, you just keep wasting money.
And then Joe just walks in. Don't look. Look, go deadly. This was the same girl I offered to pay for her meal at Goldie Restaurant and she turned it down. She's beautiful, man. She just walked in. Right.
She's beautiful.
Calm down.
Who's coming down? You or me?
Hey, beautiful. What's up? How's it going? Do you remember me?
Yeah, I do. The guy at the restaurant.
Wow. Beauty and the brains. You have a very, very retentive memory, you know. It's nice to meet you again. Are you even paying attention?
Excuse me?
Hello, bro. Get off my seat. That's my seat.
What?
That's my seat. My drink is on the table.
No, that's not your seat. I mean, I didn't see your name written on this place before I sat down.
I don't understand.
All right. Take a chill pill. Calm down. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. It's not a big deal, huh? Just pick any drink you want. Go sit somewhere else. I'll pay for the drink. Money's not a problem, huh?
Bro, get off my seat, bro. Get off my seat.
Hey, wait, stop.
Stop.
Hey, stop! Who's this now, eh? Hello? Good evening, Barrister Jessica. I hope I didn't wake you up. Of course you did. Okay, I'm sorry. There's a problem. Stanley has been taken to the police station.
Oh, goodness. What did he do?
He broke someone's head with a bottle.
Goodness. What's wrong with this boy? What's wrong with this guy? What is... Sorry, Emma. Do you have an idea which police station he was taken to?
Yes.
What is all of this? Oh, Stanley.
So what do I owe the unscheduled visit, Mom?
DPO, I got report that my brother was arrested by your boys last night.
That means he must have broken the law.
I learned that he was in a fight with a man at the bar.
He broke the man's head with a bottle, actually.
I think it is.
It is not it's not a small case.
He is my brother.
Your brother has been here severally over same offenses.
I know. But listen, I am going to ensure that this doesn't happen again.
So what do you want me to do?
DPO, please, I need you to release my brother on bail to me.
What happens to the man that his head was broken?
I am going to, take care of the medical bills incurred and then, make peace between both of them.
Are you going home or are you going to the office?
Now you listen to me, Stanley. The next time you get locked up for any of these silly offenses, I will not come for you.
Sis, what happened last night was not entirely my fault. I can explain what happened.
Is this the first, second, third, or fourth time that you get locked up? Are you the only single guy in this city? I'm asking you. This next time, you will not see me. Get out of my car.
You're not carrying...
I said get out of my car!
Really?
Close my door!
Emmanula. My name is Kate. I'm calling from Tell Money Loan app.
Tell Money Loan app?
Please kindly advise Stanley Obi to pay us our money. Otherwise, we shall come down hard on him.
What did this Stanley Obi do?
Stanley Obi is a scammer, a total fraudster. He took a loan of 250,000 naira from us and has refused to pay back. He used your name as one of his guarantors. Tell him to.
So how is that my business?
I will post his picture
How
on
is that my
every
business?
social media app, including yours,
Man,
because you're
you
part of
get
his
off my phone this
guarantors.
minute. Get lost! Rubbish.
Hey.
Good day.
Hey. It's you. You're an Uber driver.
Yes, I am an Uber driver. This is what I do for a living.
Wow.
I am into e-hailing.
Okay. Wow. Wow, that's very nice. I mean, how long have you been doing this?
7 months plus.
7 months.
Yes.
Wow.
Why did you do that to that guy? Like you almost killed him.
I know I shouldn't have done that, but did you see the way that guy lifted me? It was basically self-defense, I guess.
Well, but did you by any chance try to find out how he's doing?
Yeah, pretty well.
Okay. So, Bolaji Estate, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
enjoy your drive.
Okay, so here we are.
Yeah, you're a very good driver, you know. That was a 5-star ride you gave me there.
Oh, thank you so much.
Sure.
Your money is 1,600 naira.
All right. Can I ask you something?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
I'd like you to go out on a date with me.
Why would I want to go on a date with you?
All right. Straight to the point. I like you, and I'd like to get to know you more.
I don't think I'd like to see another man's head being broken again.
Trust me, I won't break anybody's head tonight, especially not when you're there with me.
Okay, if you say so.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. So, I have to go now.
So, you said it's 1.5, right?
Nope, 1,600.
1.6. I'll make it 2,000.
Oh, you don't have to.
No, it's fine. It's fine. Thank you. I like the ride anyways.
Thank you.
What bank?
UBA. 200
Mm-hmm.
875 4402.
Jasmine, right?
Yeah, Jasmine.
Done.
Oh, okay. I'll receive it. It's fine.
Guy, you no try, oh.
Yo!
Guy, you no try.
See who is back, man!
No try. They mess up, bro.
My tight series! Welcome back, bro.
Why did you tell my sister that I was arrested?
Who would you want me to call to bail you out?
I expected you to do it yourself, bro.
Guy, I don't be barrister. Your sister is a barrister. She knows her way around the police.
Even though, you would have at least put up with your car. I didn't have to be booking a ride when my friend has a car.
Stanley, those times you were arrested, don't I come to the police station to pick you up?
Oh, because you did it in the past, you now decided to relax this time around, right?
No, not that though. I was about coming when I called Jessica and she told me that you'll be out in a jiffy, so I decided to stay at home and welcome you like a king.
You do well. Clap for yourself now, you did well. Nice one.
Guy,
What's up?
now it is smell. I beg, go bath. Go bath. See, why you not put the shoe for outside now?
Guy, calm down. Look at the smell now. You don't have to remind me. Relax. I'll freshen up. Anyways, I get good news for you, Sha. Don't be angry. I have news for you.
Okay, What is it?
You remember the girl from last night, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
That same girl that I busted that guy's head because of. I'm having a date tonight with that girl. Same girl.
Where did you meet her?
Very big coincidence, huh? Well, that fine girl and a cab girl. An Uber driver she be.
Uber driver?
I ordered a ride. Surprisingly, boom, she showed up. It was like in a dream, bro.
Oh! Anyway, guy, no go break person head tonight again, no. I beg you.
Yeah, that was exactly what she said. No, today, man, I need to break anybody's head. At least she's involved, so I'm gonna be a good guy. Trust me. Trust me. Anyways, G, I'm sorry for the way I came at you. I was just pissed. You understand? I need a favor from you. Just, not really a favor, just something small. I feel like 200k from your hand. Just 200k. What's that?
Are you talking to me or to the other person?
What do you mean? How do you mean are you there now? Why do you like this now? Yeah, I'm talking about 200k, not 200 million. 200k, K from the alphabet, K for Karashika.
Stanley, do you remember I was warning you when you were lavishing money at that casino?
My God.
You remember, Sha?
Stop living in the past. Guy, I've moved on. I didn't even remember anything like that. Why are you reminding me now?
Guy, you wasted 1.2 million naira on a stupid game that I know you will never win. Even you know say you not gonna win, but you kept playing it.
Bro, calm down. You win some, you lose some.
You win some, you lose. Which one you don't ever win? Have you ever? Let me not be harsh on you. You just came back.
Just got back, bro.
What exactly do you want to do with the 200k?
My God.
I'm just asking. I just did ask. Person if he asks you again.
I love this guy.
No, I'm just asking. I don't get time.
I'm just answering.
I'm just being concerned.
Appreciate, man. Appreciate. So basically, yeah, I want to, I want to run better a physio on that girl. Like I want to finesse her properly, So that when she sees me, she'll be seeing me as this Lagos big boys, Pretty Mike of Lagos, Pokoli, all those bad guys. Ika, Make her, believe me when I talking money. You understand?
You get shame. Stanley, you don't have one single shame. You want to be big boy, Lagos big boy, and you sold 2 of your cars in 1 week. You still want borrow money to create impression. It be like say that sell where you go, you don't even do anything for your body. I beg go bath.
So now you be my history teacher now, just to remind me everything I be.
I'm choking. Go and bath, please.
No wala, my guy. No wala, sir. It's okay.
Probably
when.
Okay. No, stop! No, come.
If I come, carry hug.
I no commit crime with you. I beg you. Probably when the shower don't touch your head, sense go come. You don't leave the sense for run a fizzy. Maybe get. Kai, Jesus.
Yes, Honorable. Yes, the case is coming up next week. Hold on, sir. I'll call you back. Hello? Excuse me. Hello? Excuse me. Hello? What are you doing? Are you blind? You just hit my car.
Madam.
You just hit my car. What's your problem? Are you blind?
I'll tell it's your car now.
You just hit my car?
Where for tell it's your car now? Where for tell it's your car?
Are you seriously right now? You just bashed my bumper and you're telling me?
Why you raise voice for me now, Shu? Why you raise voice for me now?
Are you out of your mind? Are you crazy? Look at what you just did.
What did I do?
It's time you to apologize.
Apologize? What happen? Okay, because you carry this kind of big truck, Abi.
Are you deranged? You just hit my car instead of you to apologize.
Apologize? What
You the mad?
You want?
Look at this job. You the crazy?
You slap me.
You the mad?
See this check and be loyal.
Am I doing your content and belly?
You got a blue uniform. Hey, now you think?
You the crazy?
I the crazy. Who the crazy?
Are you mad? You're crazy. You're crazy. What are you stopping now? Oh my goodness.
Go your own way.
Put my glasses.
Why you go front? Why you go front? You just get glasses. For who?
You broke my glasses?
Do your worst.
You're crazy! You're crazy! Open this door! Open this door! Open this door! Open! Somebody help me! She just broke my glasses! Oh my goodness! Look!
Cha-cha, get lawyer, do your worst.
This miserable lunatic. Obviously, this is the kind of ladies that make people say that ladies don't know how to drive. Bloody miserable lunatic. It's bad enough that you hit my vehicle. Then you step on my glasses, you match on my glasses that I bought in India. Glasses that were specially made for me. My reading glasses. Oh goodness. Only God will save you. I will send you to jail. I will send you to jail. You dare call me a charge and bail lawyer? Me, Barrister Jessica Obi? You think you're crazy, huh? You think you're crazy? You think you're Ras? No problem. I will send you to jail. Where is she? Where is she? Where did she enter? Show this girl. Show this bloody fool.
My sister, I got a best sister in the wide world. My sister. Have you ever seen my sister? My sister is the best in the world. I love you, sister. Good to see you again. My sister. See, have they ever seen my sister? My sister is fresh. Sister is fly. Sister get money. Sister too bad. Yo, my big sis. I love you very much. I just want to let you know that I love you. And I missed you.
I don't have money, so save your strength and get out.
Come on, sister, you don't have to kill the vibe. Everything is not about money. I love you. Can I appreciate you from the depth of my soul again? I mean, I just go about telling people that my sister is the best, you know? I'm a big boy. I can handle my needs. I'm just...
A big boy that's always broke.
Okay, fine. Let me just go straight to the point.
Wait. That reminds me. Did you borrow money from someone?
No.
Because some loan app person called me and they said you borrowed money from them and have refused to pay. And they called your name, Stanley Obi.
See how human beings are. Small money I borrowed from them, they're calling everybody.
Listen, you had better pay that money and stop the embarrassment.
I'm working towards it. I'll plan for it.
So, what do you want?
Sorry. The issues. It's not really money. Not money at all. Contrary to what you feel. Just small money. Small money, just...
Stanley, just last week, I gave you 400,000 naira.
That 400,000 naira was deeply appreciated. In fact, it was rightly channeled into a source where it was profitable in solving problems.
Will you just shut up? You know, each time I look at you, all I feel is disdain. You're a bloody disappointment to yourself, a disappointment to our family, a disappointment to what our family represents, a disappointment to our father. Our father gave you the large percentage of his assets. But what did you do? You wasted all of them. If I was as wasteful as you are, would you be coming to me today to borrow money? Would you?
Fine. Yeah, the world knows that when it comes to managing resources and money, we will give it to you. It's not as if I don't even have money. I just don't have accessible funds or reachable funds. I don't have cash.
Oh, just shut up. Just shut up. When you were wasting your money and I was cautioning you, did you listen?
Sorry. I don't want us to deviate from the, moments of the meeting. I want to remind you that all I'm asking for is just small money. 200K. It's 200K.
Just shut up. Just shut up and get out. Have you ever given me back any money that I've given to you?
Sister, please say no more. Just calm down. You're peace. Just take a deep breath in. Out. In. Out. One last time. In. Out.
Get out.
What?
Get out.
Just in. Out.
Out.
Out. Out.
Get out.
As a matter of fact, I had always loved automobiles since I was 17. I just had this love for cars that I can't really explain.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah.
So who taught you how to drive?
My uncle did. Although right now is late.
Sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. When I was in school, I wanted to study engineering. My mother wasn't really having it. She said, nah. So I ended up with banking and finance.
Banking and finance? Mm-hmm. So why are you not working in the bank or something?
Because 9 to 5 is not my thing.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Mm-hmm. So why don't you like a 9 to 5?
Because I don't think I have the temperament to work in a corporate organization, trust me.
Well, that actually makes the both of us, Look, I can't do a 9 to 5 to save my life. I want to be free, I want to have my own time, freelance, do whatever I want to do, party, club, do what I gotta do.
I see.
Yeah. Wow. Your dimples are so prominent. I love them.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, so I would love to take my leave now.
Why?
Because it's late. And I don't stay out when it's late, actually. And do not ask me why. Don't even go there.
Well, on the contrary, I'll ask you why.
I just said I was not going to tell you, right?
Well, I'm thinking maybe it's because you're too beautiful and you shouldn't be working at night, right? But I'm still asking why.
Oh gosh, this guy is just something else. I said I was not going to say anything to you and you're asking me why.
Okay, for the last time. I'll try it one last time. Why?
And I said, no.
Oh my God, you're so beautiful.
You said that to me countless times already.
Well, maybe that's because I see it every time that I look at you.
Thank you.
Hey, straight to the point. I don't know how to beat around the bush. I mean, I'm not a farmer or a hunter. But look, I don't mind hunting you. Because I think I want you to be my girlfriend. I just like you a lot. A whole lot. I love your vibe. I love the way you play, you smile. Look at the stories you were telling me. Please, can you be my girlfriend?
Nope.
Wow.
I am so sorry I cannot date you. I cannot be your girlfriend.
Yeah, that was quite fast. You didn't even think about it.
Yeah, I don't have to think about it. Straight up. I have to take my leave now. I'm really so sorry. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's up? Why your face did like this now?
Well, shit, tomorrow.
Hey, wait. Not so fast now. How did it go?
The girl for my hand.
How?
She turned me down.
Turn you down? You didn't have enough money to spend on her?
Which money? I didn't have. Besides, bro, I want that girl for keeps. Yeah, I just don't want to sleep with her and dump her like I kind of do with other girls. I love this girl, for real.
For real, man? Stanley, see, if you can fall in love with a woman, then I will believe that the devil can still make heaven. Guy, see, let me tell you, it's very obvious that you didn't have enough money to spend on her, so she turned you down. Nothing concerns shower and love. The earlier you know this thing, the better for you. Go and rest. Go and have a good night rest. Me, I want to watch TV.
I still don't know why my sister refused to lend me this money. Is it because she caught me almost having an affair with that maid? Maybe Ima is right, to an extent. Perhaps if I had spent more money on her, she could have agreed to date me. Oh, I'm painfully low on cash right now. I made a huge mistake. I should have asked Jessica for 500,000 naira. Going back to her now after asking her for 500,000 naira is going to be a capital no. But can I get money from? Can I get like 500k from without hassles? Okay, that reminds me, I should try Madame Fortune. She has always wanted something from me. I think it's time I give it to her. Yes. Hello, beautiful Madame Fortune. So which hotel would you like us to meet?
Frankly, I don't do hotels. I hate hotels.
So where then?
My house, of course. My house is fine. 5 p.m. is okay.
Your place? What about your husband?
Don't worry about him. He's gone out of town. He traveled.
He's out of town? Okay. All right. See you. 5 p.m. Gotta do what I gotta do.
What is going on here? In my own matrimonial bed? I cannot. Come over here.
Sorry, sir.
I know what I will do. Where is my cutlass? Where is my gun? I will finish you today.
Who is it? Emma,
What did happen?
Guy, if anybody looks for me, please tell them I'm not around. I traveled. Oh, I'm in the hospital.
What have you done again this time?
You remember that woman, Madame Fortune, that has big waist? The one that runs a massive shop in Pedro Street now.
Yeah, that name rings a bell.
Her husband caught us in her room, smooshing, making out.
Stanley,
Let me be sure you locked the door.
Stanley, I thought you said you've stopped sleeping with married women. That was what you said to me.
When?
What do you mean when?
No, I said I will stop. I didn't say I have stopped. These are two different statements. I will stop. I need motivation. I need motivation, determination, direction, and a steady flow of income. If I can stop. And grace of God.
Okay, what if the husband comes looking for you not us.
Eh?
Oh.
No, you can't do that now. Besides, I don't think he knows this place. But see, however, just help me. Anybody that comes here, tell them I'm not around. Better still, tell them I'm on bed rest in an unknown hospital. You understand?
As your PA or your watchdog or your security man, I don't understand.
My man, my guy, help me. Help me. Did they try carry me go where I don't know? Help me.
No. They never carry you.
Where they go? Where they go?
Stanley, not put me for trouble. Not put me for trouble for this house. I dey beg you. If you don't want to stop this nonsense, don't put me in trouble, please. Me and you, we go soon separate.
No.
And see, I don't get body where people they beat.
They no go beat you. Now me they go beat, but they no go beat any of us.
They go beat you. By the grace of God, they go beat you for this thing where you no want stop. Get out from here.
You
nonsense.
You won't run. Don't worry, I do upstairs, I beg go.
Who is this? Open the door. Who open door? You dey ask me who is this? I mean, come on from this road. Where is that boy? Where is that useless boy who think he can sleep with my wife and go scot-free?
Sorry, sir. Please, who are you?
I am Engineer Edwin. I came to see your younger brother, Stanley, now.
Oh, I'm so sorry. He doesn't live here, sir.
If I get that boy, I will finish him. And I don't mind if I can kill him and go to jail.
Excuse me, sir. You have to stop right there. You don't make such a careless statement. Do you know you can be arrested and sent to jail?
Save your caution to your carelessness. Do you know that your younger brother Stanley sleeping, making love with my wife in my matrimonial bed, and you are not telling me that I'm talking carelessly?
Well, excuse me, sir. The right thing to do is you sue him or you divorce your wife, but you don't threaten to kill him.
We see to this. When I see him, I will use all contact to find ever any hider he is, and I will deal with him. I will show him. I will show him.
Solomon, please open the gate for me.
Good morning, barrister.
Emma, I want to see my brother.
Oh, Stanley. Stanley's not. I think.
I said I want to see my brother.
That's exactly what I'm saying. Stanley's not.
Okay, let me check.
No, barrister, I
thought as much. Is she someone's wife? Or a prostitute? Enjoy your day.
Sister, it's not what you think. I'm teaching her Macmillian. Jasmine, sis, what's up? I'm so sorry. Damn.
It's obvious you want to die young.
How do you mean?
The man that you slept with his wife is on the lookout for you.
Wait. So that's the news in town now, huh?
How low can you get, Mr. Man? Just the other day, I was begging you to stop patronizing prostitutes, not knowing you now do married women. You are despicable. A city without walls. You are the true definition of shamelessness.
You may not believe me, but yesterday was my first.
Oh, shut up.
Sis. Shit! Really, you were laughing? No, you were laughing. Why'd you let her in now? Why?
I did not let her in. She forced herself in.
She forced herself in. I told you clearly, don't allow anyone to see me. Tell them I'm not around.
I told her you were not around, but you know your sister now. She knew I was lying.
She knew you were lying. Can you listen to yourself? That means you're a very poor, bad liar. That means you don't even understand the act of lying. How can you lie and they catch you lying?
Hey. Don't make me feel bad, okay? You should have locked the door.
I should have locked the door? Guy, you had one simple assignment. You failed to do it. Tell anyone that wants to see me I'm not around. You couldn't do that.
That was exactly what I did.
If you had done that, my sister would have barged into my room.
What should I have done, guy? You expected me to pin her down? To grab her by the waist? I don't understand you.
Hey. Don't even think about that. You want to grab my sister by the waist? Oh, that's what you've been planning. You've been looking at my sister's waist, right? Ima, don't do that, man. I'm just respect. Don't do that.
Yeah. See, she don't catch you. Let's just forget about it.
Ima, that's what you're telling me, huh? She don't catch me, Abi. Hey. Don't go down.
I should go.
You heard me now. Get up and go.
What happened? I thought you told me she's your elder sister, or is she your wife?
No, she's my sugar mommy. My friend, get up and leave now. What's the big deal?
I'm not refunding a dime.
This one. Auntie, come on. Do you want me to carry my head? Ha! Wahala. Hello, Jasmine. What's up? How are you doing?
I'm not okay. In fact, I'm not just in the right frame of mind to talk right now.
Oh, wow. You really sound sad. What's going on?
Yes, I am.
Come on now. Don't be like that. Just talk to me, okay? Please.
Okay. It's my boss. He took his car away from me without any single prior notice, nothing.
Oh, wow. That's sad. Why did he do that?
He said he wants to give to his cousin who just lost his job and has a family of 5 to feed. Now I'm just left sad and feeling so depressed. I don't even know what to do or what to say. I don't even have enough money to buy another car. I don't even know what to say. God.
You know what's gonna happen here? Let's just meet later today and we'll talk about it. Perhaps I don't know, maybe there's something I can do about it or help you. We'll see about that, alright?
Okay.
Sweethearts.
What's up?
Come on, what are you doing here alone, sitting alone? I mean, you're drinking, you couldn't even invite your girlfriend. Don't tell me you have another girlfriend. You know I don't like to share.
Hi.
Hi, what's up?
Babe, can you call the restaurant to come take our orders?
Well, as you can see, I'm just drinking water. I didn't come here to eat and drink. I'm waiting for someone.
No, well, at least you can order food for your girlfriend and, you know, my friend.
Wait, hold up. Just hold up. You've been saying girlfriend, boyfriend, girlfriend. What's going on? You're not my girlfriend.
Of course, you're my boyfriend.
Look, what we had was a one night stand. One night stand. I'm not dating you, all right?
One night stand.
Excuse me. Oh, damn. My love. Hey, babe.
Hi.
What's up? How you doing?
Okay.
Do you mind if we go somewhere else and talk?
Why? Is there any problem?
Not at all. Let's go.
Okay.
Come on.
Hey, one night stand, really?
Don't mind that idiot. You know, I was just treating myself at him. I thought he was rich, but he seems like he's broke.
Okay, let's go get some food now. Let's go.
Guy.
Hey.
I didn't hear you call me. What's up? What's up?
Man, I'm good, man.
What's the matter?
Nothing. I'm just thinking.
Okay.
Jasmine needs a car for our e-hailing business.
Who's Jasmine?
Jasmine now. Jasmine, the girl I told you I like a lot.
Oh, the Uber driver.
Yeah.
I thought she has a car.
Well, it happened to be that the car was not hers. Yeah, she was doing the whole car hire thing, and the owner of the car has collected it back.
Okay, so why is that bothering you? I thought you said she toned you down.
Guy, I told you that I like this girl. I like her, I love her. It feels quite different, you know?
So, what do you want to do?
I don't know. I mean, if I have my way, I'll get her a car or something.
Sorry. Okay, so the car you sold to your sister was available. You could have just given it to her just to have sex with her, right? Yeah, I know you, bro.
No, it's not even about the sex. Calm down. I have an idea, though.
How did it go out?
Thank you for giving me an idea, my guy.
I didn't give you any idea.
You didn't know you did.
No.
Doris, go and get the door. Doris!
Yes, ma'am.
Get the door. Don't know who's knocking.
Okay, ma'am.
What's up? Sis.
Stanley.
How you doing? Good day. Hope you're good. Huh?
I'm good. You didn't sound too good on the phone. What's the problem? How much do you want this time?
No, it's not money. It's not money.
Oh, you don't want money?
No, it's not money.
Are you sure?
Sure. It's something else.
You don't want to borrow money?
No, not money.
Okay. So, what is it?
Can you lend me the Toyota Corolla? The one that I sold to you. I want to use it for something.
I should lend you the Toyota Corolla. What do you want the car for?
I want to venture into e-hailing services. There's really money in that venture. I want to explore it.
Stanley, my brother. Is it because I, your sister, bought that car from you? That's why you have the nerve to come to me and say you want the car back. What if a stranger who doesn't live in the same city, who doesn't live in the same state, bought the vehicle? You would have gone after them?
No.
Listen, just listen, Stanley. When you wanted to sell that car, I told you that it's not good for someone to sell off their properties, especially their vehicles, that they may need it some other day. But no, you felt I was too small to advise you.
As a matter of fact, I'll be very honest, I didn't know better then.
Stanley, do you want me to tell you a home truth? You know, sometimes I wonder if you sucked the same breast that I sucked.
Of course I sucked it.
You are the most confused human being in life. You're the most confused human being I've ever seen. You started a bakery. You ended up eating half of the bread that you make. And bakery folded up. You started a restaurant. You order your chef to make you the best of the meals, and you will go to the restaurants with your friends and guzzle the food and drinks. And restaurant folded up. And worse of it, You started a business that our parents hated, which is not good. Gambling or sporting betting or whatever they call it. And that one failed, folded up. Stanley, you know what your problem is? You eat your capital and profit. You eat your seed. You don't know how to manage money.
Yeah, as a matter of fact, I admit it. I know I've made 1,000 investments and 1,000 mistakes in the past, but sister, trust me, this one is the future. It's just going to work out. Action speaks louder than voice. I don't want to, try to market it.
I just hope that I'm not going to regret.
You won't regret it. You won't.
Just hope so. Doris!
Yes, ma'am.
Go to the car rack key. Get the Toyota key. Leave me alone. Stop. Where's my 5 million that you borrowed? Where's my 5 million?
Sis.
Listen, if you don't give me my 5 million, me and you will quarrel. We're going to fight. Do you understand me?
I'll pay.
Listen, don't let me regret this thing. Are you hearing me?
I'll pay over 5 years. Like when I start this my.
Oh, I just hate you, but I love you.
I love you too, sis.
Oh, sis. Oh, just get out.
Hey.
So, what's the surprise?
Dada, I got you this car.
You're not serious.
Well, I am. It's actually my sister's car. So I told her I wanted to use it for e-hailing services and she agreed and gave it to me.
Just like that.
I don't even know how rich my sister is. She's filthy rich, stinkingly rich. Yeah, just like that. So you can use this in the meantime and do your business, all right?
Oh my God, thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I am really so grateful.
Sure, I got you, baby. I told you, I did for you now.
I can't believe this, like,
It's real, baby. You wanna try it out?
I'm just, wow.
Come on, baby, come on.
You got this.
I got it for you, baby. Try it out. Take it easy, yeah. Take it easy. It's real. It's not a dream. I got you, baby. Yo, you wanna drive front?
Good evening, Oga.
You are welcome. I hope it wasn't difficult for you to locate her.
No, Oga, you know hard.
Good one. Good one. Just do it, no business. I hope there's no counter in this things.
Oga. No counter.
It's for your own good though.
And I use my microscopic eye, they assess all the money.
Good.
Hey.
Just be careful.
Yes, sir.
Bring bigger money next time.
Oga, we'll do well tomorrow.
All right.
We'll do well.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Bye-bye.
It's all right.
You can run, but
Madam, respect yourself,
You can run, you can
respect yourself. Waiting. What? Shoe? Oh my God.
Where's that bitch?
Do your work.
Where's that girl?
Where's the light? Oh my God. Oh my God.
Yo. So sorry I kept you waiting.
It's okay. So what's up? Why are you staring at me like that? Why are you just so quiet? What is it?
I'm staring at you because you're beautiful. You jazz me. You sweep me off my feet. And I love you terribly. I want you in my life. And I don't want you just as a friend. I want you to be my girlfriend.
Are you serious?
Look, Jasmine. I am very serious. I have never felt like this for any woman before.
I'm just quite afraid of heartbreak. I have been there before. And I do not want to go through that late ever.
Sugar, look, I know I'm not a saint. I agree. But I would never want to break your heart. I would never want to hurt you for any reason. Trust me. I love you very much.
Okay. Let's just give this a try.
Thank you.
I just said a try.
Look, a trial.
Yes.
A trial with you means so much more than anything I can ever imagine. That's all I need, baby. Trust me.
It's okay.
I'm happy, baby. Imo, where you there? She agree. She don't talk, yes, so. She agree. She don't talk, yes, so. My G, my guy, I'm far. Let's drink, man. Let's
What
drink.
are you celebrating?
She has said yes. I'm so excited.
Who's that?
Jamina, my Jasmine, bruh.
Oh, the Uber driver.
Well, it's called e-hailing operator. That's actually the correct thing to say, you know. Let's celebrate, bruh. Wait, hold on. I think she's the one calling. She loves me too. Guy, it's Jessie, my sister. Hello, sis. You want me to come? Everything good? All right, I'll come tomorrow then. Okay. All right. She agree. She don't talk yet. So, babe.
Let me ask you, is it out of excitement you forgot I don't take this brand?
Baba,
This is not my brand.
Manage now.
I can't manage.
Baba, you know how CDB now. If money demand, you know how CDB. Now, Zo, Black Label, Hennessy. But right now, just manage. Since after I played that gambling thing, I've not really been, buoyant.
It's okay now, but
Calm down.
I understand.
Drink this thing
I
first.
can't. You sure you want force me
But
drink
now
with you?
make me a drink,
Drink now, drink. Oh,
Girl, you not happy for me.
I'm happy.
You not happy for me. Yes.
Oh, you're here already?
Yes, I am here. You smiling?
I'm chatting with my children.
Oh, Marie and Sean, how they doing?
Oh, Marie says she's not feeling too good. But my husband says she's just trying to set up a ploy to bring me to the US.
Wow, so that means you're going to be traveling to the US soon.
Yeah, I already bought my ticket. I missed them already. Miss my husband. Just give me a few minutes, okay?
Okay.
Let's just round up chat. You know what? Let me send her a voice note. Hold on. Hi, baby. I'll get back to you, okay? I gotta do something right now. Bye. Love you. Aha. And so how is the driving work coming on?
Oh, well, same old. We're doing it.
That's great. My husband and I have been discussing, and we have come to the conclusion that I should give you money to start business.
Wow, that sounds like a very good plan.
Yes,
Awesome.
I've decided to give you the sum of 50 million naira to start a legit business.
50 million naira. Sister, you're pulling my legs. I know what you're trying to do. Sister, you're serious? You'll give me 50 million naira? God, sister, you're the best.
Don't start praising, yeah. There's a condition to it.
God, you're serious. Condition? I don't mind. I'll worship. I'll do anything. I'll work for you.
No, get married first. Find a lady. A responsible lady from a good home, hardworking, intelligent, and the money will be all yours.
Sister, you and I know that it's very... I mean, to marry these days, you need money. I don't have money.
I know. Just find the lady, look for her, and I will fund the wedding from start to finish.
Wow, sister, you're serious.
Do I look like I'm joking? But you see, I cannot give you that kind of money. It's a large sum of money because you're still single. Because you and I know that you are spendthrift. Good. Good. So, the ball is in your court. Start searching.
Wow. I'm happy and I'm worried.
50 million naira?
Can say that again.
Okay, you know what? You're getting married soon. You've got to get married.
To who?
Jasmine, of course.
Guy, what are you saying?
Wait. I thought you said she has agreed to date you, right?
She just agreed to date me yesterday. If I tell her about marriage now, am I not going to scare her away?
Calm down. You're talking to Emmanuel. Allow me to advise you, okay? You're not doing it right away. You're not doing it tomorrow. Huh? So let's just say give her about a week or thereabout. But for now, just be showering her with love and affection. Tell her how much you love her, how much you want to be with her. It's either her or never. Together we live.
Premium or nothing.
Premium or nothing, bro.
I see that one.
Shit,
It's either you or nothing. You're premium, and I don't want nothing except premium.
That's it. Mehmet.
They tell
50
you.
million. Mehmet.
Jasmine. I like the girl now.
Bro, we are rich for life.
Yeah, who is rich? It's not two of us that are giving it. No, calm down. It's
You
not.
are.
It's me. I'm the one that are giving the 50 million, not.
But I'm the one advising you, so which one is the...
You're advising me, okay. So you're advising me how to.
Come, I go knock him. You know me.
You're now an arm robber.
I go knock him.
You're now an arm robber.
Seriously, man. We're getting rich.
Don't worry, man. I got you, my guy.
Yo, 50 million!
Ala, you can't happy pass me. Calm down.
50 million!
Can you make something as good as this?
Okay, so if I tell you that I cannot cook, will you end this relationship?
You like fights, I swear.
No, I'm just saying.
Of course, I will not end the relationship. If you cannot cook, I'd rather help you to learn how to cook. It's that simple.
Aww.
Yeah, sure.
Don't tell me you're this nice and very understanding.
Of course I am. For you.
Interested.
Yeah.
Well, I can cook so well. So fear not. Your girl can cook so good.
Wow, that's good news.
Why are you staring at me?
Well, I mean, you're very beautiful. That's why I'm staring at you. You look like Beyonce. For real. No, Beyonce looks like you.
Oh, come on.
I swear.
You're so naughty.
I'm not, baby.
Hello, Stanley.
Hello, sis.
Sorry, I wanted to ask. First of all, where are you?
Well, I'm at home.
All right. Did you give my car to someone?
Which car?
My Toyota Corolla. I saw it earlier today, and a lady was driving it. And don't say that I don't know my car because I saw my car number.
Oh, a lady, yeah. that must be my girlfriend, Jasmine, yes.
Stanley, what is wrong with you? You took this car from me on the claim that you want to do e-hailing services, and now you gave it to your girlfriend?
Well, sis, it's actually my girlfriend that is doing the e-hailing service business.
Oh, Stanley, can you just stop? I mean, can't you change? When are you going to change, Stanley? How come can you take my car and give it to your girlfriend? What is all this? What's wrong with you?
No. She's actually remitting money to me every week. No, that's still the business. That's part of the plan.
Stanley, now listen to me. Return my car first thing tomorrow morning. Did you hear me? Did you hear me?
Hello, sis. Hello?
Is everything okay?
Yeah, well, technically, yes.
You don't look like you're okay.
Well, that's because I'm just thinking about a lot of things. I actually want to say something to you, but I don't know how to say it.
You can say it to me anyhow you want to say it. Just say it.
Are you sure?
I'm listening.
You know I love you, right?
Yes.
You know I love you very much. I want to do forever with you. I swear I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Will you marry me, Jasmine?
Are you...
I'm not joking. I'm serious.
For real?
For real.
So, where's the ring?
Oh, that, look, babe, I'll get a ring, right? But I didn't get a ring because, let's say, it was kind of spontaneous. And two, I wouldn't want you to turn me down, you know, in a public restaurant like this, like we see in movies. It's just going to be so embarrassing. So I wanted to get your consent first and be sure. You know, I want to do forever with you, so getting the ring is not going to be a problem at all.
Okay.
What are you saying?
Of course it's a big yes. If I don't want to get married to you, will I be asking you for the ring?
Oh, babe, I love you so much. You're so sweet. Look, I want to die old with you. I want to live and see our great-grandchildren with you. You have no idea how much I love you.
But don't you think we are rushing things too fast?
No, come on. You only use the word rush for people that don't know what they want. A man that knows what he wants is never in a hurry. Babe, you've ticked all the boxes. You're 101. Trust me.
Yeah.
I can see it in your eyes. Thank you. Come here, baby. Right. worry, smile. Just come.
Okay.
Have a seat. Just have a seat. I'll call my sis. You can sit down. All right. Sis! Sis! We're here. Where you at?
Stanley, I'm coming.
She's coming.
I'm just checking up in the kitchen. I thought you were not coming again.
Well, I'm here. We're here. Yeah, it's Jasmine, my fiance, my sister Jessica.
Now today you walk into my
Hey, what's going on?
This animal, this idiot, this nincompoop, you have the temerity?
Sister, what's going on? What's the problem? Do you guys know each other?
Today you're going to pay for your madness. Do you understand me? You will pay for your madness.
Sister, calm down. I'm confused. What's going on? What's happening?
I'm gonna call the police. I'm gonna call the police. You know what this idiot did? Do you know what this idiot?
What did she do?
She broke my glasses. You have the guts to break my glasses. Do you know how much I put those glasses in India?
I'm so sorry.
Do you know how much?
Sis, I don't know what she must have done to you, but please, we can resolve it amicably. Please don't call the police.
I just said she broke my glasses.
I'm so sorry, but
she broke my glasses. Glasses I bought in India. Don't worry. Today, you have walked into the lion's den.
Sis, please,
you think you're mad?
Sis, I beg you.
I'm gonna show you madness.
Sis, please, for my sake. She's
I'm gonna show you madness.
Please, sis, listen to me. I'm begging you, please.
You don't even know your sister. You don't know 1% of who this your sister is. You think you're crazy? You will see crazy. Hello, Mr. TPO. Yes, sir. I need you to send your boys right away. I've got an intruder in my house. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. All right.
Said you're calling the police on my fiancé.
This idiot, I will show you Chris, okay? I will show you Chris. Now, listen to me. Wait. Was she the one that was driving my car? Stanley, where is my car? Where is my car? I said, where's my car?
Parked outside.
Can I have the car keys? Can I have the car? Can I have my car keys? Let me have my car keys. Let me have my car keys. Yeah, right. Let me have my car keys. Can I have my car keys, please? Oh, you have the temerity. Don't worry now.
I'm sorry.
Come on, leave now. You think you're mad?
Speak to your sister.
You think you're mad? Don't worry now. You think you're mad? I want to say thank you so much. Yes, that was timely intervention. I'm gonna call you.
What in the hell did you just do?
Don't you raise your voice at me, else you are going to get my wrath.
I don't give a damn anymore.
Now get out of my house.
No! Call them and tell them to get my woman out of there.
In your dreams. Now get out.
So, Barrister Obi's younger brother, what can I do for you?
Sir, the lady my sister got arrested is actually my fiancée, and I'd like to bail her.
Does your sister know that you're coming to bail her?
Well, she knows I'll definitely come for my woman.
Well, I'll suggest you go back home, because you can't take that young woman on bail at the moment, because we are still investigating.
Sorry, I don't understand, sir. I can't take her on bail because you're still investigating. Is that how you guys do here, sir? You arrest someone and keep the person before you even start your investigation?
Well, wait, are you trying to teach me how to do my job? Huh?
See, Stanley, you need to calm down. You can't keep working yourself up like this.
Guy, it's almost 6 p.m. My woman is still at the police custody. I don't want her to sleep
I
there.
understand how you feel, but you can't keep working yourself up like this. You just have to calm down.
Guy, please help me call her again. Emma, call her again.
I'm calling her.
What's up?
She's not picking. She's not taking my calls. I think she knows why I'm calling, and obviously she doesn't want to talk about it.
No. It's going to be a very long night. Sis, I'm just coming from the police station right now and they wouldn't let her go on bail.
How's that my business?
So you locked her up and asked them not to release her?
That idiot destroyed my eyeglasses. That special eyeglasses cost me plenty of dollars. Anyway, she has to pay for her stupidity.
Sis, I beg you in the name of God. I beg you. Whatever she did to you, please just let it go. At least for my sake. Please.
Stanley, my dear brother, you are disturbing me. Get out and do something useful with your life.
Let her go! Let that girl go! Why are you keeping her? What did she do to you? Why are you being so wicked? I need that girl out of that place now! Get her out of the police station, otherwise you'll not like the outcome.
You know you cannot threaten me.
Sis, make that call right now. Otherwise you'll not like what I'll do.
Get out.
Make that call now.
I said get out.
You said you have some complaints about my men.
Yes, DPO.
What is it?
DPO, your men have refused to grant me access to my client. And I wonder why they would deny my client access to see her counsel.
And who is your client?
Her name is Jasmine.
Well, you can't see that young lady. Trust me, when you come back tomorrow, you can be able to see her. Thank you.
But DPO, why won't I see my client? It's her right to see her counsel. So why are you denying her right? And
you can't see her. Hold on.
Hello, TPO, sir.
Hello, good day.
I sent you a token.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for that.
You're welcome. Just let that concluded lunatic out. Let her go. Next time she'll learn not to destroy people's property.
Okay, right away, man. Thank you. Well, barrister, just wait by the counter and I'll instruct my men to release your client right away.
Oh, thank you, DPO.
Thank you very much, barrister. Appreciate it.
All right.
Babe, I'm coming.
It's very important to stay out of trouble, except when you can't. Then you call people like us. I will always be there for you.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate the fact that you come around whenever I just call you. It means a lot.
Yeah.
But I'll stay out of trouble, I promise you.
Yes, like I said, stay out of trouble.
Yeah.
Except when it's unavoidable.
It looks like you want me to continue causing trouble.
Yeah, that's why we're here. That's our job.
No.
It's very important to stay out of trouble.
I will stay out of trouble.
All right.
Thank you, sire.
Okay.
Thank you. All right.
Oh, I thought you forgot that I called you.
Good evening, sis.
Good evening. Your food is in the kitchen. Go and take it.
No, I'm fine. I ate something at my fiance's. I was there when you called me.
All right. Darius! Come and clear this table. Darius! Clear the table. The 50 million naira offer still stands, but there's a clause to it.
What is it?
You cannot marry that girl. She's everything bad.
Sis, you don't even know this girl. You don't.
Well, listen, Stanley. I know so much about her to know that she's no good for you. That I want you to marry does not mean that you should marry an animal.
Hey, come on, sis. You don't have to curse her. She's not an animal.
That's what she is.
Sis, I know this girl. She's a good girl. Trust me. She's responsible. She's kind. She's hardworking. That's why she's even...
Shut up! Since there's no reasoning with you, if you marry that girl, then you forget me as your sister, and that's on period.
Sis, please let me... Sis.
Doris! Where's my phone?
Oh, God. Babe.
What is it?
I'd like you to do something for me.
Okay, so
I'd like you to accompany me. Let's go see my sister.
see her for what exactly?
Babe, see her and apologize for what happened between you guys.
No, beg her for what exactly?
Babe, look, humble yourself and just ask her.
I am not begging her. She has had a pound of flesh by arresting and denying me bail for 2 days. Yet you want me to go beg her?
Hey, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, baby. Listen to me. Listen, I have my reason. My sister says she's going to give me 20 million naira if I marry.
So?
She doesn't want me to marry you. Don't you get it?
Then fine. Then go be with your sister's choice and then let me be.
Hey, come on, babe. Don't talk like...
Excuse me.
Baby. Babe, hold up now. Baby.
Leave me alone. Just...
Sorry, baby. Come on. No. Sorry, baby. No, it's okay. It's okay.
Okay. All right.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Maki, you dear. You godforsaken cretin.
I only just greeted you, that's all.
And I say, may that greeting kill you, dear.
Well, because of the love I have for Stanley, I won't say a word to you.
Oh, why don't you talk to me? Since you're a ras. And I will ensure that you spend the rest of your miserable life behind bars. Bloody idiot.
Enjoy your day.
Thunder fire you there. Thunder fire you there. If you think I'm going to allow you to marry my brother. Bloody thief. You're still dreaming. You evil thing. Thief. Destroyer! Thunder fire you there again.
God, I need that money badly. And I know my sister. She makes up her mind. It's hard for her to go back on her decision. Should I sacrifice love for money? What should I do? Hey, sis.
Yeah.
Today, are you going out?
Yeah, I have an appointment.
I actually was coming to see you for something.
All right, shoot. I have a few minutes. I can spare you.
Yeah, I actually wanted to discuss something.
Oh, well, shoot. I can spare you a few minutes.
Yeah, you said you would give me 50 million naira if I get married.
Yeah.
And yes, I'm 100 with that part. But sis, it has to be Jasmine.
Stanley.
I love Jasmine.
Stanley, you cannot marry that lady. I'm sorry, you will not Excuse me.
So
I say you're not going to marry that lady.
Sis, I need you to understand this. This girl is my world. I know you see me as a very wayward person, someone who is mischievous. She has changed me. She means everything to me. I love her from the depth of my soul, and I'm very serious about it. Please, just reconsider, please.
If you marry that lady, then forget about the money.
I have made my decision. I need that money so badly. In fact, that money is going to do a whole lot for me, but it just has to be Jasmine. I choose love over money. I choose Jasmine.
Good riddance.
Have a great day. Hey.
Good evening.
You good?
Yes, I'm good.
Good evening.
You know, I'm just wondering why you wanted to see me. I thought your sister told you not to have a thing to do with me anymore. Or you don't want the money again.
Is it not obvious that I am choosing you over 50 million naira? Babe, I choose love. I choose peace. You make me happy. And I love you very much. I know 50 million naira is a lot of money. And it can do a whole lot, but I can't compare 50 million naira to you. Because you're worth more than that. You're the woman that I want to do the rest of my life with. And I'll choose you over and over again. Because I love you.
Okay. If you say so.
Okay, if you say so. Bye, baby. Huh? I missed you so much.
I did not miss you.
That's why I love you, baby.
I don't love you. You're so naughty, I swear.
This is my woman, my own woman. Do you understand? It's not like I'm trying to do anything crazy. Yeah.
That's what you want to do.
Stanley!
Yeah. Hey, sis.
What is wrong with you?
Sis.
Huh? I'm asking you, what is wrong with you? Have you gone nuts? Have I not warned you severally to stay away from this misfortune, this unfortunate element? There are several classy ladies, responsible, cultured, well-trained people. Well-trained ladies from homes, and you want to stay with this dimwit.
No.
What's wrong with you?
Stop already, stop. Don't talk about my woman like that. What did she even do to you?
Oh, so you don't have balls to talk to me? You don't have balls to talk to me, Stanley? You have balls to talk to me?
What's your problem now?
You should live your life to live my life too. Leave me alone.
Babe.
Leave you alone. Stay away from this fool. You will not listen. No problem.
Welcome, man.
Thank you. Doris,
Yes, ma.
have you finished cooking?
Yes, ma.
All
I'm
right.
almost done.
Get me a glass of water.
Okay, ma.
I don't understand. Why didn't this lady react the way she should when I slapped my brother? Was she just pretending? She's pretending to be calm. Or she's a chameleon. Or am I just hating? Or I'm overreacting? No. I don't think I'm hating. I don't think I'm overreacting. I'm just looking out for my younger brother. I'm just looking out for my younger brother. How many times have I told you that I don't drink cold water? And then you bring me water without a cover on the glass?
I'm sorry, ma.
Well, without a tray? You better get up before I hit your head.
Oga, your phone is ringing, no? Your phone, they ring.
Guy, don't be fights now. Calm down. Thank you for the information.
Hello, Stanley. Morning. Where are you?
Home.
All right. I like us to talk. You got a few minutes?
Go ahead, I can hear you, ma'am.
All right. I've decided to up the money to 80 million naira. But you're not going to marry Jasmine. Deal or no deal?
No deal.
Are you out of your mind, Stanley?
Sis, I said no deal. It's my sister will not cease to amaze me.
What did she say?
She's upping the money to 80 million naira. But she's insisting it must not be Jasmine.
80 million naira.
You heard me right, bro.
What did you say to her?
What else? Guy, I love Jasmine.
Oh my God.
Of course, I can't leave her. I can't.
Guy, you the Chris. Do you know how much is 80 million naira? 80 million naira. What did they do you? They talk about money, you they talk about love. What is even wrong with this guy?
I don't blame you now. And because me, I no get sister, we go offer me money to marry. If I get person, we go even offer me like 5K. I go marry. 80 million naira. And you deal with me here, idiot. overboard.
Look at my brother. He seems so happy. I've never seen him so smitten with a woman. For the first time. This is the longest I've seen him stay with a woman. This is amazing. Stanley, so happy.
Cheers. Thank you once again.
Yeah. Emma, I called you because I want to find out something from you.
Okay.
This lady that my brother Stanley is dating, how close are you to her?
Very close. She do visit Stanley. We chat, walk. We do a lot of things together.
I want you to tell me in all sincerity, emphasis on sincerity, what's your honest opinion of her person? Emma, see, listen. I don't want you to tell me what you think I want to hear. Okay? I want you to give me an honest, unbiased assessment of her person, please.
Okay. That's what I'm going to give to you.
Okay? I'm all ears.
From my honest judgment, Jasmine is a good girl. A very good girl. Wife material, so to speak. She has a loving heart. Very hardworking, honest. She's got brains, but it's a little bit of anger issues, but nobody's perfect.
Emma, is it that someone has anger issue or they don't have anger issue? So, be that as it may, you want to say that she's going to make a good wife to my brother, right?
Okay, let me just say this. A couple of times I've asked Stanley to leave Jasmine to get married to someone else. But anytime I make that suggestion, I feel very bad because I know I'm asking my friend to leave a good woman to get married to another person. But then I don't want him to lose that 18 million naira.
How dare you come into my office?
Good morning, ma'am.
Keep your breathing to yourself. What do you want?
I came here to apologize for everything that has happened between the two of us. I take the blame. I am really so sorry for everything that I have done. If anyone had told me that I would end up falling in love with a guy who I was badly behaved to the sister, I would never believe. This just shows me that life is a vicious circle and I was wrong. And everyone should be careful of how they treat people around them. I'm really so sorry.
Shut up! Now get out of my office. Leave right now before I call the security. Wait! Sit down. I said sit down.
Mom?
Sit down. I like you. Yeah, because you're just like me. The honest truth is that I've come to realize that we have a lot in common. We have the same kind of firebrand personality, but it looks like yours is more fiery than mine. I like you even more because you are a no-nonsense lady. You're a hustler, and you are not dependent on a man for survival. And that's the kind of woman that my brother needs.
Thank you so much, Mom. I really don't know what to say. I just feel so speechless.
All I want you to say is that you're gonna make a good wife to my brother.
Yes, Mom. Of course I will. I will. Thank you so much, Ma. Thank you really so much for giving me this opportunity. I am really so grateful. Thank you so much.
My goodness, I am so delighted. Anyway, I do what I say, and then I've come to fulfill what I said. I'm a woman of my words.
Okay.
My promise of 80 million naira.
80 million naira.
Thank you so much.
Please stop.
Aren't you darling?
Oh, stop. Come on.
Oh my God.
Stop. You're my whole family. All I have. Come on.
I love you so much.
I love you. Come here. Come and sit here. Come and sit here. Because I am your mama now.
Yes,
I'm your senior sister. And you're my baby sister.
I just want to be sure it's not 8 million. 80 million.
Look at you.
Oh my God. What would I have done without you, sister? You're everything.
I love you.
I love you so much.
I'm happy for both of you.